and welcome back to One Blue Ghost channel. Today we are going to be cleaning car parts with Coca-Cola. This should work alright, hopefully. So let's have a look at how bad this car part is first, and then we're going to leave this for 24 hours and then come back and see the results. So in this red tub we have a bonnet catch slash latch, bonnet catch or latch, whichever one you call it. This is off an Evo 8 and 9. It is a used part, obviously, you can tell. It's not got a huge amount of corrosion, but it could do with being a little bit cleaned. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it back into this tub, which is a broken size. The problem is this sticks up a little bit, so that's the best I could do. So if the fluid level gets to about there, that's fine. That'll do. Like, so I'm always probably going to paint this a little bit anyway, black. But we'll try and get this corrosion off using the Coke. So let's begin pouring in the Coke. So we're just going to leave that doing its thing for the next 24 hours and we'll come back and have a look at it, and hopefully it looks a bit better. Otherwise I'll have wasted £1.50, which is not really a great deal of money considering metal cleaning stuff. I've seen like a litre of it's roughly 20 quid. I don't know if you dilute that or not, but £1.50 is a little bit cheaper, so it's always worth a go. And we return to have a look at this about 24 hours later. You can actually see, I don't know if you can see it, but if you look on the actual, sort of like the top of the fluid, it's got like a weird coloured scum to it now. And it is slightly better than it was, I think. It's taken some of the grime off it, but I don't know if it's taken any of the rust off it. So I think what I need to do is I'm going to give it a quick rinse off, and then I'm going to give it a wipe, and then see what it looks like after it's wiped. But debatable whether or not that's worked for £1.50. Maybe I'm just unlucky. Definitely taken some off. You can see it on the, you see the water line there. So it's definitely taken something off, I think. It's definitely like an oily looking sort of strange colour to the top of that though, definitely. Right, so quick wipe over. It does actually look a lot better. You can see like that spring there is a lot cleaner. It hasn't really taken the rust off like I wanted it to, but you can see all the rust there now, which is I don't know, it was a bit hidden before, but I can probably wire brush that off, or I've got some rust converter actually. I'll try that as my next step, but overall it's a lot better than it was. So 24 hours and it's a lot cleaner, but it isn't quite what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to look brand new and like, yeah, brand new, but it doesn't, but it is better. And better is acceptable, I guess, for £1.50 instead of 20 quid. So yeah, so put some rust converter on it, and then I'll give it a quick paint up, and then that'll be ready to fit. So Coke, it cleaned it, but it didn't really de-rust it like I wanted it to. But yeah, it's okay. It's better than it was. Was it worth it? It was probably worth £1.50, I guess. I don't know. Maybe brake cleaner would have done it in a rag quicker. I don't know. Who knows? But anyway, so Coke, I'll give that a 3 out of 10.